Hey friends, over the last couple of weeks we've shown you the major upgrades that we've made to our factory built van, particularly to the 12 volt system.
And just because we live in a van doesn't mean that we have to forego some of the home comforts that we enjoy when we live in a house.
We still like our Vegemite on toast.
And I really like to straighten my hair. So we needed a way to power our household appliances that run off AC power. That's 240 if you live in Australia, we call it 230 here in Europe. If you're in North America, it's 110.
We thought that rather than hardwiring a power inverter into our upgrade, we decided instead to go with a portable power station.
The good folks from All Powers asked us to test out this S2000 portable power station.
And we have to say we've been really impressed. So let's take it out of the box and take a look. It's such a solid design, we love it. The handles particularly, and you can even do it one-handed. To cart it around, it's so good.
And even I can lift it.
So it has a powerful lithium battery equivalent to 100 amp hours and also an inbuilt 2000 watt inverter.
And there are 4 AC outputs at the top here, which we can plug our normal household electrical devices into. These obviously are UK plugs. We're in the UK at the moment, so we've just got different adapters for using our Australian devices, European devices, or anything else. And then it has 4 USB sockets, 2 USB-C sockets, and even an old style car cigarette lighter.
So let's see this portable power station in action.
The All Powers portable power station was an absolute godsend when we were staying with my cousin in Wales. His beautiful cabin is totally off-grid, so it was really nice to have our own power source. Doing some work on the van. We've put the solar panels out and we're charging up the All Powers power station in this beautiful sunny day. We can run our toaster or blender or any kitchen appliances to make our favourite breakfasts. We can sit outside working and be charging our computers or phones. I can even straighten my hair.
Such is van life.
We have recently added Starlink, so we've got internet all the time. So this is the power and the router. And then out here is the dish. And we can even use the All Powers unit to power the Starlink, which is quite a power-hungry device. And we're actually doing that now because even though we are on a campsite with power, we did all our laundry and we didn't have anywhere to hang up the laundry. So, hi Nigel, all our laundry is hanging there on our electrical cord. So we've got the Starlink plugged in to the All Powers unit down there. Interesting to show you that the All Powers can actually run an air fryer.
Where the campsite power couldn't.
Yeah. So we
just been outside to flick the RCD switch back on again.
In the rain, mind you.
It tripped.
So we have our beautiful Mexican potatoes completed. We had to do 8 minutes with the All Powers. And it went from 99 down to 87, so you 17%. That's not bad.
You have 3 ways to charge the device. AC, either at home or at a friend's place.
You can plug this in at the wall. It's pulling in 350 odd watts at the moment. And then obviously solar. So you can see that we've got 200 watts of solar panels. So you can get these with the unit and they are really awesome. They fold up and they plug into the front here. Here we are on a campsite in the UK and it's quite chilly this morning, as you can tell from the way I'm dressed, but we've got perfect blue skies and beautiful sun. So what better conditions to capture solar? So I'm just going to show you how I set up the solar panels for the All Powers S2000. We have 2 times 200 watts of solar. So on a day where the sun is not so bright, or if the power on the unit is really low, we can put the two panels together. But because it's such a beautiful day today, clear, perfect blue skies, so I'm only going to put out one of the sets of panels. So these panels are quite light. I can lift them quite easily myself, and you know, I'm not particularly strong. They fold up, so there's two clips here. Just undo the clips and then the panels fold out. Now, just need to remember which way to put them, this way. And on the back of the panels, each panel has a stand, so you can angle them perfectly to the sun. And then in the back here is a little zipper compartment where the cable is kept. So this is the one with the extension cable. So I've got plenty of cable here. If the sun was on the other side of the van, or you know, if I needed to put them out of the front of the van, I've got plenty of cable. And then I just take this up and plug it into the unit. So we keep the unit underneath the table here. It's a really great spot, nice and safe, and it's out of the way. So I've brought the cable in here, and it's simply a matter of plugging it in to this little spot here. And you get that instant whirring sound, and the spinning blue circle here tells us that we're starting to pull in solar. Now, if I turn off the AC for a moment, because I'm currently charging my computer, that will tell us that we're currently bringing in 80 watts.
These are the two 200 watt panels that we've got to charge the Allpower's power station. We got from Amazon these wide joiners, and also an extra length of 6 metre cable that plugs into the power station to charge him up. It's going to give us that wiggle room that we can then set up 2 lots of solar panels.
So this morning we actually have a little bit of blue sky. The sun's currently just up there in between the trees, but we're getting good sun on these solar panels, even if the angle's not great. So we've got the full 400 watts out here on the balcony this morning, joined together and coming inside to the power station. And we're currently pulling in 150 watts, which is pretty good for how low the sun still is in the sky.
You get sorted?
Yeah. Yep. Joined them all up, plugged it in. Yeah. Got 150 watts coming in.
You can even charge it from your vehicle battery whilst you're driving, from your cigarette lighter, from your car.
So one of the big benefits of the Allpower's S2000 is it's completely portable. So I can take it outside and keep working and still stay charged.
Plus, the added benefit was it completely negated the need for us to add a separate inverter into our van build. So we've had this power station for a couple of months now, and we love it. We've used it every day since we've been on the road here in Europe, and we can honestly say it's been an absolute game changer for us.
Yeah, I mean, here we are right now. We're parked up in Italy on the banks of this beautiful lake. Oh, there's a quick sneak peek. And yeah, we've got no power here. We're just basically staying in a car park.
Yeah, exactly.
So this is really coming into its own.
This is our 230 volts right here.
Yeah, we're running everything off it. It's been great. And look, we get emails every week from companies wanting us to review and promote their products. And, you know, we will only ever accept products that fit with our lifestyle and what our channel is all about. So when Allpower's reached out to us and asked us to review this, we were just like, yeah, I mean, this could really work for us. And as we were doing these upgrades in the van, and
yeah, we were honoured. We had seen a lot of options, and there are a lot of options out there, and we kind of knew that this one was like up there.
Yeah, yeah. It's you know, the robust design, having the handles is such a huge
Yeah.
thing because we do keep it underneath this table all the time. It's really easy. You know, I mean, it's heavy. It's an 100 amp hour
a real
battery.
beast.
But I can lift it because of the handles. So when I'm in the van on my own, it's really.
One of our friends was questioning about the All Power station the other day, and I was just thinking, yeah, man, it'd go really well on his yacht.
So if you're interested in checking out the All Powers for your off-grid build, whether it's a van or a boat, or whether you just live off-grid in a cabin,
Trade even. I mean, it's
Yeah.
like the options are limited. I think.
yeah, put it in your
Yeah.
tradie ute to charge up
Brilliant.
your tools. Yeah. We'll check the link in our description or scan the QR code that's on the screen now, and make sure that you use the discount code Nigel and Sue Adventures, and you can get 10% off your purchases of anything from All Powers between now and the end of October 2024.
This power station has truly helped us turn the Pos into an off-grid beast of sorts.
Of sorts. So we hope you've enjoyed this mini van conversion series. Join us next week when Nigel returns from work. Well, he has returned from work, but in real time, when he returns from work, we get back on the road, we head over the English Channel and come to Italy, one of our favourite countries in the world. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Cheers, guys.